when it is too hot outside and you don't feel like cooking, consider making this delicious strawberry garden salad. You will need fresh romaine lettuce, and if you don't have a spinner, make sure you get one. This is the best thing I have in my kitchen. I am telling you, this thing is so good. Look at that lettuce, so dry and still crispy. Now you had some crunchy bell peppers. I'm using red pepper and yellow pepper. You can use whatever colors you like. Next up is the cucumbers. Remember, we're going for the cooling effect because it's so hot, 93 degrees outside. We're also using some sun-sweet tomatoes. These tomatoes are so juicy and they will also brighten up the salad. Then we will add some organic strawberries for a little sweetness. Strawberries are about to come in season, so I'm definitely getting ready to go strawberry picking. I'll be having a lot of strawberries this summer. I'm especially gonna make strawberry lemonade for you guys. And I love to have a little tartness in my salad, and nothing does that better than dried cranberries. So there you have it. This is a perfect no-cook meal. It's too hot to be cooking, so come on people, let's make some salad and lose some of that water weight in the process. Just look at this salad, so fresh, so inviting, so crunchy. It's looking tasty, and I can tell you, it was very tasty. It didn't even need any dressing. The only thing I added to this salad was sea salt and red pepper flakes. The strawberries just gave it the little sweetness that it needed. I didn't have to use any oil, any other salad dressing, anything. It was just perfect. The tartness from the cranberries, sweetness from the strawberries, it was excellent. I certainly hope you will be making some salad for this summer season because it's just too hot to be cooking. Thank you so much for watching, and before you go, please check out my playlist. It's right there up to the left. Yes, go ahead, take a look. Thank you very much. See you in my next one. Bye.